Here's what I need from you Wednesday in class. I need either a binder or a folder that is solely dedicated, one or the other, not both, that is solely dedicated to the geometry regions. Cleaned out, empty. All right, so if you want to take your geometry one and empty it out and do whatever you want with all the packets and tests, that's up to you. But I need a not that's dedicated to this and earth science or dedicated to this and global. It'll be a folder or a binder that's completely empty that is dedicated to the geometry regions. All good? I am going to give you a few handouts, but please remember, I am not giving you paper copies of old exams. So you need to start thinking about in the next couple days, where am I going to download them into? Squid, Kami, and how am I going to write on it? Do I have a stylus available for me? Okay? So start thinking, because this exam I gave you before April break is the only paper one I'm giving you. And also make sure you have this, because the homework from the rest of the week is coming from this too, starting on Wednesday. So make sure you got the paper copy that I gave you before break. All right, all good for Wednesday? A binder folder solely dedicated to the geometry regions exam. All right? Okay. Chromebooks out. Classroom open. All right, let's hit up our classroom page. Don't be concerned. I've started building some of the Regents review stuff already. Don't be concerned about that. You want to go make sure you stay where we are right now on volume. Instead of trying to write down everything I have up here, I just posted it to Classroom. So you'll see volume unit test topics. That's what I'm going to go over right now. All right, that's what I'm going over right now on my slide. Six, word problems. I mean word problems, like you're gonna have to read a paragraph here. All right, some of them come with diagrams, some of them you may want to draw your own diagram, but 6 word problems total. There are 2 formulas that are not on your reference sheet that you'll have tomorrow. I want you to be aware. Surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r squared. That's not on the formula sheet, but will be asked. And density, mass divided by volume. Okay, those 2 not on the formula sheet, but you are responsible for. 1 out of the 6 word problems deals with surface area and volume ratios of similar polyhedrons. Look, and I don't want to joke around about this. Can you go from surface area to volume? If I give you the surface area ratio, can you give me the volume? Or the other way, if I give you the volume of 2 similar figures, can you find the surface area of one given the other? That's what I'm asking tomorrow. Done. Okay, that's what I'm asking tomorrow. So for instance, I got 2 prisms. I know this is really bad, but volume of this one, 216 cubic inches. Volume of this one, 64 cubic inches. Surface area of this one is I don't even know, 150 square inches. What's the surface area of this one rounded to the nearest 10? So there you go. That's what I'm kind of looking for. Or maybe I give you the surface areas, volume of one, find the volume of the other. I'm just coming right out and telling you that. I don't mind doing that. Right? So that's one of the 6 questions tomorrow. The rest, couple density. I really don't want to give away anymore, but. And for the first time, and I couldn't tell you how many years, I'm going to throw a bonus on there. 1 bonus question at the end. And I mean it. You round incorrectly, no credit. It's all or nothing. All right? Literally. Okay? All or nothing. Is it impossible like period 2 is predicting? No, not at all. You guys can certainly handle it, but it's a bonus question. All right, anything you want to ask before I show you where to practice? Griff, what's up?
Is that bonus question in addition to the 33
No,
points?
well, 33 you have to answer. 33 points you're responsible. This bonus is an extra 3.
Okay.
All right, you're not penalized if you get it wrong. Yeah, you're not penalized. So max score 36 out of 33 if that answers your question. All right. Anything you want to ask about tomorrow? It's going to come strong. It is. I don't, I did the answer key today and I was like, whew, we're ending on a high note here. 3 places you can review. 3 places. In your packet, there's a couple questions. There's textbook questions that are listed in the packet, and there's a whole slew on Delta Math right now. All right, 3 different places you guys can get questions from. Oh, and a fourth. I just did it this morning with period 2. If you go to go back on Classroom, if you want to get some practice with changing units and answering volume questions, there's a couple problems on Classroom with the answer key attached. Okay, so extra volume practice, change the units. What's up, Jonathan?
The volume unit test topics, you only posted for period 2.
I did, huh? Oh boy, huh? I wouldn't. If anything, I would have done it the other way. That's right, Mamoon. I guess I got to do it here for you guys. Is the extra volume practice on there, Jonathan?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know. And I just went through that whole spiel and nobody said a word. Good times. Oh, let's see. Upload. Review for test topics. Wouldn't want to do the Unit 12 test and upload that, huh?
Wait, you're the last stop?
OMG. No, February 23rd and nobody still cares. All right, we're up. Thanks, Jonathan.
Did you say February 23rd?
May 23rd. Relax. All right. Any issues? You got 4 places now to start practicing. 4. Plenty of review. Get going. You can work with other people if you'd like. Let's get going. Let me know if you have issues. Yes. I would, yes. Even though I went over one problem, density problem, and the rest were up to you guys. Because that was the assignment, is to finish all that. What's up, Ella? All right, I'll be right back.
Was there a video?
Yes.